So I've been having a few problems with the output from the Osmo and pulling it into CapCut. I've obviously been in conversation with the DJI and the guys there, and they've made a few suggestions, and there's been 2 updates so far, and I've finally put this all together, and hopefully you will be able to see the difference. Hopefully there is a difference and it's improved a lot. However, the stuff that I've already made and put out on the YouTube channel is very, very bad, very pixelated, and I mean, to be honest with you, I didn't really notice it that much. I just thought it was YouTube, but yeah, there is a difference. And of course the output from the camera in the studio was the issue there, because it wasn't coming out how it should. But using the manual settings, setting it to the 160 kilobytes per second, which is the maximum you can do on the output, even though I don't know what it's normally set at, but clearly that's made a difference. And also making sure that you select custom on CapCut as well, so that CapCut is also doing 160,000 as well, so the output comes out and it's not too bad. So hopefully that's the solution to the problem until there's another one or another solution. Yeah, so let's have a look at the actual footage, see what I did, and we'll come back and give the verdict. Okay, so as per DJI support requiring the production of a video, I'm going to use my footage I have. I'm going to create a project. This version is 1.010.11963. I believe that's the latest version. Let's check. There you go. So that's the latest version. I'm going to create a project, import some footage. So if we do footage so we just pick one, it doesn't say how long the file is. We'll open that. So we're currently resolution 7680 by 3840, 50 frames per second. It's 5 minutes long, 10-bit, and basically color normal, and it is going to be dragged down to the timeline. So we take that down to there. Now, because of time, I'm going to delete that. So we're going to do from about there. Now hopefully the DJI mic. Now you can see the ground down here. The ground is already a bit blurry. This one here. That's going to through. I'm going to have to reframe this, I'm afraid, because it's not really doing what I want. So this is annoying too, having to do this every single time. Doing this here, every single clip that you put in there, you have to do direction lock. Very, very annoying. So, direction lock. Now hopefully the DJI mic. So we'll leave it like that. Two, isn't it?
Yeah, two.
So you can see the ground.
This one here.
You can see
That's going
that at the moment it's not
through.
too bad on the ground.
Yeah, I don't want that one. $10.14.
So this is, what is this? This is about a couple of minutes long. We're going to export it. So we have 4K, 50 frames, custom bit rate, which is right, and it's all the way across. I normally turn that off. I don't know what that's supposed to do, but it makes it double the time. Right, it's 2.9 gig. So we'll export that. Okay, so we're at 97%, 98, 99, and export, finish. Okay, let's have a look at the actual file. Go over to the left screen. This is the file we've made, and we can see that the properties 2.91 gig. It is bitrate 16805.1. That's 160 kilobits per second, which is what we asked for. 50 frames per second. Now what we're going to do is play it in VLC. So we'll play that with VLC media, and it will go into my other screen. Now hopefully the DJI mic, platform 2 he said, wasn't it? Yeah, it's 2. 2. This one here. That's going to through. Yeah, I don't want that one. $10.14. Lovely, okay, thank you very much. Sunshine.
Yeah, not too bad.
So, it does appear to be not too bad.
What's that one? 165, 135.
To be fair, I haven't compared
Okay, we'll
this
stop the video.
footage. So that's the example, and load in the clip that I did. So this one here. This doesn't give me any further information on the project. It's an old project, but look at the
tour
video. What we'll do is we'll chop this up. So let's do from there.
some meat.
Do through to there. That's probably enough. And then export that 4K 50 and 160 and export. Before we show you that one, this is the original video I made from the footage that we've just done. It's roughly the same position. So this is the actual finished product in CapCut.
On the train.
Exported out at 4K.
Now hopefully the DJI
You can see so the
on 2 he said, wasn't it? Yeah, 2.
video output there,
On 2.
pretty poor.
This one here.
Let's go over to the new one we've just done,
Some meat,
and then we'll have a look at that.
cheese, sausages. Over here we have
So remember, this is raw coming from DJI Studio. We've not done anything with it yet.
Used to be,
It looks okay. Doesn't look too bad.
corner.
So that is that. So then obviously what you would do is do your finished product, because you can't do it in Studio, you can't do any of the extras because there's not in there. You can't even do it in the Insta Studio either. So we have a random project. So we'll create that. So we're going to change the frame rate, which is adapted, but let's make that 50 because it is. And so that's that. Then we will import the 2 clips that we've done. Import the 2 clips, which is that one and that one. So we will put those down on the timeline. Probably make this a little bit shorter. It start about there. So this is the DJI footage coming from there, as you can see. And then what we'll do is we'll just put in some text, whatever, default text.
Customer service.
Drag that down, put that across there. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so then 50 frames per second. So we will export this. We're going to have it to 4K. Bitrate will be as high as possible. Okay, what we're going to do is we'll make it, I don't know what the higher rate is there. HEVC 50 frames and spoon. Could make it MOV. Is that going to be? Not going to be much difference. So we will render that 160,000. So exported out from CapCut. Imaginary finished video. Come on, hurry up. Are we there yet? Okay, so CapCut's trashed. Interesting, I did a alt control delete and then it came up with this. So it's actually finished the video. So I don't know if it was genuinely broken or not. So here's the file, this one. So this should be CapCut output. So we will play that in VLC.
Customer service.
Just to prove the point that there is some default text on that.
Hello, 1014 card here.
Scroll through.
There's a
It does look a lot better. Yeah. It does look a lot better.
3.
Let's go through to the other bit. Now this was really bad,
Sausages.
but it seems like a lot better. This bit here was quite bad. It's quite a grey day. As you can see, it's very difficult to compare them on the screen because they're quite small, but side by side, the one on the right hand side is the original that I've uploaded to YouTube before I uploaded, not after, and it's actually quite pixelated, and this is one of the things that we were reporting. And the one on the left is the one that you saw me make, even though it's being played in VLC player. You get the idea because you can see the difference. There is a huge lacking of pixelation in the actual video itself. So the answer is to put it onto custom bitrate. Now hopefully there's not any sort of need to keep on doing that, because that's a bit frustrating. I know it's new software, but this is, yeah, it's very important that we have good quality video. Incidentally, I like to know all these people putting out videos. I'd like to know how they get good output, and even on YouTube there is very good output. So I want to know what they're doing differently. Are they using some other software? But CapCut, it looks like it's okay now.